The new Silverado EV showcases impressive specifications, featuring 754 horsepower and a 450-mile range. This development significantly expands the truck's lineup and has the potential to redefine the truck market and consumer expectations. Chevy's previous hybrid models demonstrated a capacity for improved fuel efficiency. However, they currently lag behind competitors like Ram and Ford. Colorfully, the need for enhanced fuel economy is vital for Chevy to maintain its competitive edge. Developments for hybrid and diesel models are underway, focusing on enhancing Silverado's fuel economy and performance. Nevertheless, there's also an urgent need to improve off-road capabilities to satisfy consumer demands. The Silverado's interior boasts significant upgrades, showcasing modern designs and premium materials. However, lower trims still feature dated cabins, highlighting Chevy's ongoing efforts to enhance the overall interior experience. Despite advancements, persistent complaints regarding cabin quality and comfort indicate that Chevy has more work to do. The competition is raising the bar for interior luxury, emphasizing the need for continuous improvement. Comfort levels within the Silverado show considerable variation, with higher trims providing superior seating options. Despite this, rear seat space remains a concern, compromising passenger comfort during extended rides. The Silverado's leaf spring setup, while historically reliable for heavy loads, can lead to a bouncy ride, particularly when the truck bed is empty. This is in stark contrast to competitors like the Ram 1500. Transmission issues are frequently reported in the Silverado, leading to awkward shifting experiences. These problems often necessitate mechanical intervention, commonly requiring an OBD2 scanner for resolution. Concerns regarding paint quality and excessive oil consumption have emerged with newer Silverado models. Owners are recommended to regularly monitor oil levels to avert significant engine trouble. While the Silverado's adaptive cruise control is advanced, it can exhibit quirks that necessitate the driver's attention. These unpredictable behaviors may lead to unexpected surprises during driving. Reliability scores for the 2024 Silverado present a solid rating, yet they fall short of reaching the legendary status held by competitors like the Toyota Tundra and Ford F-150. Potential buyers should evaluate the total cost of ownership, including maintenance and recalls, which may not favor the Silverado. Conducting thorough research on any past issues is critical before making a purchasing decision. The Ford F-150 boasts an impressive array of engine options, including a hybrid variant that seamlessly combines power with fuel efficiency, positioning it as a formidable competitor in the truck market. Both the Silverado and F-150 come equipped with modern technology and comfort features, such as advanced infotainment systems and driver assistance technologies, enhancing the overall driving experience for users. Toyota's Tundra emphasizes durability and off-road capability, offering robust engine choices and high towing capacity. Its design particularly caters to those who prioritize both performance and reliability. While the Toyota Tundra is acclaimed for its reliability and off-road prowess, it may fall short in advanced technology when compared to rivals like the Ford F-150. The Ford F-150 is recognized for its versatility but has faced scrutiny regarding quality control and may not excel in fuel economy relative to its competitors. Furthermore, potential buyers should carefully consider the pricing of higher-end trims, as they can be considerably steep and may not fit every budget.